racing just started. We have Pleasant Girl break quickly at the start. Quick play, Zori outside, Fire Packs, Danori inside, Sophia's Fortune, Green Lexter, Territun moving up is Marty Gibson, Strong Boy, while winner take all is the early trailer by about 10 lengths up the leader, and going along for the first turn, we have Pleasant Girl by about 2 lengths. Sophia's Fortune in second. Fire Packs is Marty Gibson. Green Lexter comes next, then followed over by Strong Boy. Territun in the middle portion. Quick play, while winner take all still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Pleasant Girl by about 4 lengths. Is Marty Gibson in second. Fire Packs is Danori inside. Moving up now, Wari outside, Territun, Green Lexter is Strong Boy. Now moving up, Wari outside. Then next on now is Sophia's Fortune. Winner take all and quick play. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Pleasant Girl by only a length and a half. Moving up, Wari outside now is Strong Boy. Territun is down in third as they swing for home. Pleasant Girl followed by Strong Boy on the outside. We have a Strong Boy. Pleasant Girl is down on the inside. Last 50 meters, we have a Strong Boy, followed by Pleasant Girl, and finally Strong Boy, Pleasant Girl, Territun, winner take all. Then comes Green Lexter's Marty Gibson.
147,563.
Yes.
Unofficial.
Strong Boy then.